Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today is our Ipsy unbagging, and this is late this month because, well, we had a few snafus with Ipsy this month, but we're here, and that's all that matters, right? I actually have 3 of these bags this month. I have these 2, they go together. And then I have this one. Now, this one didn't come. It just didn't come. And so finally I opened this bag to see if maybe they were both in here. And not only was that not the case, this item was missing something, so they sent me a replacement. My replacement got here the same day as my Ipsy bag did. So let's go over this one since I have it in my hand. Let's go over this one that came first. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is the second tier of Ipsy's 3 bag service that they provide. They have Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12.99 a month. Then you have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $24.99 a month. And then they have the Ipsy Glam Bag Super, I think. That's probably wrong. I'll put the name here. Anyways, they have that 3rd tier, and that is an additional $30 every 3 months. So I just get Ipsy Glam Bag, and I get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus some months. Not every month, but some month. So this is what the Glam Bag Plus bags come in. They used to be cosmetics bag. Now they're these drawstring bags, and I love them because I have a lot of use for these. Where the cosmetics bags, they're nice, but I don't always have a use for them. So these I have been using a whole lot. Now you get 5 full-size items in the Glam Bag Plus, where in the Glam Bag you get 5 deluxe size items. Sometimes you get a full-size item, like if you get a brush, they can't give you, well, they could give us a deluxe size, but they don't. They give us a full-size brush. So sometimes you get a full-size item, but it's not guaranteed. So the item they left out of my bag was this Be Beautiful BU. It's a Farrah brush set. I had picked up a set of these in one of their pop-ups, and I'm not that impressed with these brushes, but I will use them. They don't fall apart. They're just not very soft. So, well, it's more the handle part I don't like than the brush, but the brushes aren't that soft. But the handle, the base where it's flat, just not a fan. But that doesn't mean they're not good brushes. I'm just being nitpicky on those poor things. I think this is an item I picked. It's by LaRousse, and I believe these are also brushes. Look at that packaging. It's this gorgeous envelope with a seal on it. That's nice. They did come in protective packaging, but I took them out because they were so loud. So these are 4 complexion brushes, it looks like. The handles, can you see? They're kind of ridged, kind of like a screwdriver would be. So that's kind of cool. So it would be good for my hands when I'm gripping. I should be able to hold on to them better. They feel soft. They feel soft. So it looks like this is a highlight brush. It says this is a tapered face brush. This is a contour blending brush. This is a flat angle brush. I can never get these to work. And then this is a kabuki brush. So I'm excited to try these. I will have to use these in our Get Ready With Me, and so I can let you know what I think of these brushes. Oh, we finally got to the card. This month's theme is to be present, which, you know, is a good message for this time of year. You know, we're rushing. It's the holidays, but the most important thing at the holidays is to be present and in your family's life. So I like that message. All right, this next one is by Yensa. This is the Silk Bronzing Base. It's a Sunlit Glow bronzer and brush duo. I think this one, no, this wasn't one I picked, because I was somewhat bummed when I saw I was getting it. That doesn't mean it's not good. It's just, I don't use, I think it's a loose bronzer. Yes. Isn't it? Or is it a cream bronzer? Oh, it's a cream bronzer. Okay. All right. So it's a shimmery bronzer and pretty light, but since it's not a loose one like I thought, I'm not mad at it. Not anymore. And then we got a stippling brush, which will be nice to use with it. Okay, Yensa, I see ya. I'll be kind. Can you guys see that shade? It's really light, but pretty. I'm too old to like dust it on my body, but I'm sure it would be pretty there. We received a Julep eyeshadow stick, and this is in Bronze Shimmer. This one I know I picked. So this is what it looks like. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Very pretty. I have only used a couple of things by Julep, and I've never been overly impressed with them, but I might be with that. That's gorgeous. And then the last thing in my Glam Bag Plus is this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. You guys know if I'm seeing Violet Voss, I'm picking Violet Voss. Okay, it took me a hot minute to get that out of the box. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it is called, what's it called? 6 Color Eyeshadow Impressed Pigment Palette. It doesn't have a name, but it's gorgeous. That's pretty. That orange, that coral orange, this one right here, yeah, I want my fingers in that. Well, I want it on my eyes is what I want. But, oh, that's pretty. Okay, I guess I want my fingers in it. Look at that. That's this one right here, this duochrome. I don't know if I'll be able to pick it up. That's pretty. Oops, I swatched it over. It smells very chemically. I just swatched it over that bronzer, but that's pretty. Ooh. Yes, okay, I'm excited for this. So that's what I got in the Glam Bag Plus. Now, let's see what the holdup was with my Glam Bag. Okay, I did get a few add-ons this month, and I don't know what is what. I do know a couple of these are what were add-ons, so let me go over those ones really quick. I have Wander Beauty's Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I haven't tried Wander Beauty's foundation, so I wanted to try this. And since I like, you know, is it a lighter coverage? I do believe it is a lighter coverage. That's why I picked it up. But we will see if it's a lighter coverage or not. I did pick up this eyeshadow palette by Nomad. This is the Berlin Underground palette, and I have a couple of single eyeshadows by Nomad, and I love the formula of their eyeshadows. So when I saw that you could pick up a full palette by them, I grabbed at it. So that, isn't that pretty? Oh, I'm going to have to hold it like that. these beautiful murky shades. I mean, look at that yellow. Look at that, isn't that pretty? So I'm excited for this palette. Very buttery, very creamy. Yeah, I'm excited to play with. Berlin Underground is what it's called. All right, this is what the glam bag looks like this month. I really like this. It's very retro, very late 70s, early 80s. Just, I love the vibe that they've been using with these bags this year. It's been very nostalgic. I know I got this brush. This is by Moto, or a Perfect 10. It says MOTD, a Perfect 10. So it looks like a blush brush. That's a really nice brush. I always pick brushes when it's the option because I love brushes, so yeah. Okay, I received this Just Box Feather Supreme. Oh, it's an eau de parfum. I've never heard of Just Box. Have you guys? Ooh. It's very patchouli heavy, it smells like. Well, if we're having, yeah. This reminds me of, there was an Avon perfume years ago. Very oriental. And I can't think of it off the top of my head. But that's what it reminds me of. There's a little sweetness to it, but there's a lot of musk, a little patchouli, heavy, heavy floral. Okay. We have this Kokie Soft Glow Highlighter, and it's in the shade Heavenly. I don't believe I have this. This is what it looks like. It's pretty. Ooh, that's nice and soft. Okay, that's really, really pretty. It might be a little too dark for me, kind of like champagne pop, you know? But maybe if I blend it out, it'll be okay. I'm trying to imagine it on my cheek. Do any of you do that? Obviously I do, but do any of you? That perfume's killing me. Okay, we have a package in bubble wrap. I mean, it's not bad, it's just really strong. I sprayed it once, twice. One on each wrist. How cute. It's a little blush by Milani, and it is sealed up. It's their rose powder blush, and it's in the shade 901, which is Romantic Rose. I should have brought my glasses in. So that's what it looks like. Now this is my size of blush. You guys know how I love blush, and I have so many. I like these smaller ones. So that's really soft. Holy smokes. Okay. There. It's built up a little bit. I'm sure it goes on better with a brush. But that's pretty. Very creamy. Very creamy. And then the last item we have, I can't read. It's in this yellow tube. I can't read it. It's Pure Heals. Oh, it's a softening toner. Very hard to read. Pure Heals Propolis Softening Toner. Well, dag nabbit, I was cleaning up my desk after I completely finished filming, and I picked up the bag and there was something hidden in there. And that is this Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, which you all know I love and adore. So I'm excited for this, of course. I can never have enough Ultra Repair cream. So yeah, totally excited. So that toner must be an add-on. So it's probably going to be okay for dry skin. That's probably why I picked it up. But I don't usually pick up toners. but all of these things were in the box. I mean the bag. So I don't know. This one wasn't though. So yeah, that's it guys. So I will be doing a look using these makeup items, so keep your eyes open for that. I will probably incorporate the items that I received in Allure, so because there's only a couple of them. What is your favorite item that I received in either of these bags, whether it be the Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus? What was your favorite? To be honest with you, my favorite is going to be this Berlin Underground by Nomad, with Violet Voss sitting right there with it. But Nomad's palette is definitely, I'm really excited to try out one of their eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, let me know your favorite down in the comment section. Please take good care of yourself guys. Be safe out there, be smart, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.